Aspen and Chickie. Aspen, tell me about this mare here.
She's an 18-year-old mare. She was started as a cowhorse and has a little bit of earnings in the futurities and stuff, and then she kind of just sat for a while, and when she was 12 I started her in the barrels, and she just has loved it ever since then. And Haley Crayon Bull, the girl that owns her, took her, and I mean she's won countless 1D all over the country. She's been to Fort Worth, she's been everywhere, and she's just a little rock star.
Yeah, I can really tell she's got that grit, she's got the boss mare vibes, she wants it all and she wants to do her job.
Yes, she does, and she gives you 110% every single time. And I mean, she's super easy to ride, she's super just feely, and she just loves her job and she wants to do everything she can to do it for you. So
yeah, and I love that about her. What kind of maintenance do you do on her?
She's had her knee injected, her left knee, and then she gets hock injections, and then, you know, just chiropractic, acuscope, and all those things to kind of keep her going. She's 18, so I try to keep her as spoiled as I can.
Yeah, and I don't blame you. I mean, when they get this age, they definitely need the maintenance to keep running, especially when they're as gritty as her. They're gonna give you everything.
Yep.
So what kind of kid would you put on her? Any kid, age, level, rider?
I would put at least a junior high kid on her, because she is pretty feely and she's still got a lot of run left into her. So I think a junior high or high school kid would do really, really well with her.
With the alley, so I know she kind of backed up a little bit. How is she at the rodeos when you go to that?
She's usually she usually just walks right in, and the main thing is I do treat her for ulcers, and so as long as that's taken care of, she doesn't have any issues going in the alley or anything like that.
Any hauling problems or needing a buddy where she does get ulcery and stuff like that?
She could definitely use a buddy.
Yeah.
I've hauled her by herself and she's okay, but she definitely kind of likes having a friend with her everywhere she goes.
Yeah. Well, very nice. Thank you for showing Chickie to us today.
Thank you.